Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today I am at Terminal 4 in Melbourne Airport, just doing some plane spotting. So usually I go to the other plane spotting area, which is near the air control area towers, but it's doing some renovations on Operations Road. So I'm not exactly sure when I'll be available, but I think it will be in November by the time I actually finish the works there. So late November from what I heard. So there's not many people up here. So I'm not sure if there's many people down there as well. I can't really see. But this is one of the viewing areas. So you can see Malaysian Airlines is here, Qantas and Thai Airways. On that side, Jetstar just landed. Plane that's going to land, and that is from Adelaide. So there's an Australia Boeing 737. It's going to be landing soon, as you can see there. It's a bit different actually coming down this end. It feels not the same as kind of a normal viewing area. I'm sorry I can't zoom in more. My phone is a bit limited as to the zooming. But this is the best I can do, unfortunately. So hope you like it. That's the Virgin Australia flight from Adelaide. It has landed. I won't be here for too long. I just want to come and see how it was here. This is the viewing area. And a nice place actually. Looks like there's another plane that's going to be taking off soon, and that's Rex Airlines Melbourne to Sydney. I think it's somewhere down that side. You can see it. Rex Airlines is going to be taking off now. And that's a Boeing 737 Rex Airlines. And that is going to Sydney. Taking off from down that side. Over there is a Melbourne to Gold Coast flight that is going via Jetstar. Normally I wouldn't be able to see the flight from takeoff from that end, but because of the block, like the trees and central block, it's so much easier here. Let me know what you you think of this place to come and do a plane spotting. There's not many people here, which I'm actually surprised about. But there would be more. There is a plane that's coming in to land from Brisbane. And that is a Qantas Boeing 737 coming in to land in a minute. There is a plane that's also going to Brisbane, but this is the Virgin Australia plane. That is a Boeing 737 that's going to Brisbane. It's just taking off now. And a Qantas plane from Brisbane is going to be landing now. Just past 10:20 a.m. on a Monday morning. I have the day off from work today. So this is going to come here and do some plane spotting. There's a lot of domestic planes that are landing and taking off now. So that plane just landed from Brisbane. There's a Boeing 737. Looks like there's a few other ones. A Boeing 787 down there. A blue colored plane. Not exactly sure which airline it belongs to, but I do like the color. I think it's China Southern, but I could be mistaken. Plane that's going to take off. That is a Virgin Australia plane, Boeing 737, that will be going to the Gold Coast, which is just south of Brisbane. Another popular tourist area. Coming in a few minutes time, there is going to be a plane, an Air New Zealand plane from Auckland, Boeing 777, one of the larger wide body planes that's going to come in about 1 minute or so. And by the way, I'm a bit scared of heights as well, so being at the edge is a bit, like at the end of the car park, it's a bit scary, but trying to manage it. Planes are okay, like going up that high on a plane is fine, but Boeing 777 from Auckland is landing soon. There it is. One of the few places one of the many places I haven't been to. Like most of my friends and family have also been there, but would love to go to New Zealand one day. I heard it's a wonderful place. I haven't been to many places in the South Pacific, other than Australia and Nauru. I had to stop over in the Solomon Islands on the way to Nauru, but I haven't been outside on the other airport. I'd like to go, to visit more countries in South Pacific as well. That's Air New Zealand flight. I just landed. plane with the blue livery, that is a China Southern plane, and that is going to Guangzhou, which I think, which I believe is near Hong Kong, if I'm not mistaken. So I may go to another plane spotting area next time I come here, which is on the down that side. This won't be as quiet as it is here or down there, but it's a lot busier. And since one plane spotting area has been closed off for the next 5 or so months, it's getting a lot busier now down there and here as well. And I see a Singapore Airlines plane down there as well, one of my favorite airlines. Malaysian Airlines, I think that's an A330 plane. That's what they usually fly. Like one of the medium haul plane flights. I believe that I flew that from Malaysia when I came back from my trip to India last year. And Malaysian Airlines is quite a nice airline as well. I believe that the China Southern Airlines flight is going to be taking off soon. Looks like there's a Vietnam Airlines plane as well, getting ready to taxi. She's down there. After the China Southern Airlines plane leaves, departs, I'll finish off this video. So if you made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment as well. I would really appreciate it. Looks like there's a plane to Brisbane, Jetstar plane, Airbus A320. That's just taken off. See it on there. Airbus A320, that's going to Brisbane as Jetstar. See any more planes landing? See any more next few minutes. We'll wait for the Melbourne to Guangzhou. Vietnam Airlines plane is going to Ho Chi Minh City. Going out of focus for some reason. Because the lane needs to focus on. And by the way, it is cold today. It's like freezing. In the middle of winter as well, so said there's an Air India flight that's going to be departing as well to New Delhi. This is going back. Taxi soon. Looks like the China Southern plane is getting ready to depart. Take off from it. There it is. I think I'll wait for a few more minutes. Taking off. Sorry about that. I believe that there is going to be a plane, a Rex Airlines plane, Saab 340B, that's going to a town called Burnie, which is in Tasmania. I'm not sure if you can see it, that's parked behind the Singapore Airlines plane. Looks like the Vietnam Airlines plane and the Air India plane will be going soon as well. Not sure when. However, there is another flight, Garuda, Indonesia, that is going to Denpasar, one of another more popular tourist destinations in Indonesia. And that is going to Denpasar, which is Bali. Another place I still haven't been to, surprisingly. A lot of Aussies go there for holidays. And that is going to Denpasar, Garuda, Indonesia. And the retro livery. Can't really see it from here, unfortunately. The livery, but it says it retro livery. And the Rex Airlines flight to Burnie is taking off now as well. And a strong smell of oil as well. Not sure exactly where it is, but it's coming now. That's the plane that's going to Burnie, Saab 340B. Strong smell of diesel. I'm going to finish off my video here, so thank you everyone for joining. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment as well. And hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.